Show you Accounting Power, Client Accounting Services. There's really too much for me to show in just a couple of minutes, so I better just hurry and get going. First of all, I'm going to show four different main items that we have. We have CFO tools. We have the ability to do write-up much quicker and easier by using bank feeds. We have a complete bill payment process and also an invoicing process. So for the virtual CFO tools, the first one I want to show is the Client Snapshot. Client Snapshot shows a little bit of accounting and financial information for all of your clients in one spot. For this particular one, I'm just showing the clients with alerts so that you can zero in on those people who need attention. You could also display all clients. Also, we have a customizable dashboard. The dashboard is a deeper dive into the financials of a particular company. So let's show how you can do write-up much faster, easier, and more profitably using bank feeds. Bank feeds are where you import the statements directly from the bank. This dramatically reduces data entry time, and of course, it can reduce errors. It can save time and aggravation getting data from clients. Clients are sometimes hard to get data from. Now it'll be very easy to give real-time advice to clients instead of doing write-up at the end of the year. It can speed up bank reconciliations, and it can reduce tax season crunch time stress. Same type of thing is also for attaching the bank statement. When you import the transactions, you're not only importing also the check, but you're also importing a bank statement, which will always be there for you to go back and view at a later date. The bill payment process. Now that we have a streamlined bill payment process. First, the client takes a snapshot of an invoice to be paid, and this is from any smartphone. Then when your staff logs in to pay the invoices, all the uploaded invoices are displayed. The staff enters the invoices with a mouse click. They send the entered invoices to the client for approval. The client approves the invoices easily, and the approved invoices are paid electronically. So here's a quick example of how it works. Client activity screen. This kind of is a workflow place that will walk you through what needs to be done. So as we see White Horse Sales, there's 3 unprocessed bills to be done. Your staff goes there, they'll see the 3 unprocessed bills. They select one to enter, they see the bill, they enter the bill. Once they're all done, now you come to this screen, and now you'll see there's 9 to be approved, no more to be unprocessed. This works you through the workflow. So you just easily send an email to your clients, which can be sent in bulk to all your clients also. The client receives the email, simply clicks on a link, opens up either on his smartphone or on his computer, and then they approve the payments to be paid. Once the payments are approved, now, once again, back on the client activity screen, you can see that it's moved down the workflow screen. There's bills ready to be paid. And the final step would be to easily pay the bills with digital checks. You just mark the bills, click on digital checks. Emails go out to all the vendors, and the vendor will receive an email, and basically all he has to do is pretty much just accept the payment. Invoicing and receiving payments. Invoicing can be done as a service for your clients very easily, especially for those clients who have recurring invoices. And the invoice can be sent out to your clients' customers. The customer receives an invoice, very easy for them to pay. They can click on Pay Now. There's 2 different options. They can either pay by credit card or pay by digital check. Once that is done, the client will open the email. They open the invoices. They'll see all their open invoices. They choose which ones they want to pay. And of course, what makes it easy for you is once this is done, there's really hardly any work because all journal entries are automatic, and all you do is go on to be finishing your accounting for your client. The final step is once you're done, you do your financial statements, your review work, and you can also, when a period is closed, you can set up a group of reports that you want to send out to the client. And a perfect example and a very powerful report that we have to send out is the performance analysis report. This will give, in a graphical presentation, which is something that clients love to receive, an overview of the finances. It's very similar to the dashboard that I showed earlier.